If you don't have a LinkedIn Sales Navigator account yet, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get one for free for the next 2 months. First, you need to have a friend with a LinkedIn Sales Navigator account. Second, you and your friend, you need to be first degree connection on LinkedIn. And third, your friend needs to refer you on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So let me show you how you can do it. So here we are on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which is the sales version of LinkedIn. If you want your friends to refer you, they need to click on their profile picture on the top right. They go on referrals and then they write your name in that search bar. And that's it. That's pretty simple now. So that's how you get 2 months of LinkedIn Sales Navigator for free. If you don't know anyone with a Sales Nav account, drop a comment down below saying LinkedIn Sales Nav and we will do our best to refer you. Hurry up because I only have 6 referrals available on my account and the first who will comment will be the first served. And once you have a LinkedIn Sales Navigator account and want to become a pro at it, I recorded this video just right here, a 33-minute LinkedIn Sales Navigator masterclass showing you everything I know about LinkedIn Sales Navigator. No fluff, just what works. So go check it out and you're going to drastically improve your lead generation skills. See you in the next one.